My dear students, how are you? I think you are so well by the grace of Allah. Today I am here, your English teacher, Muhammad Salihuddin, senior teacher, Dhaka Shiksha School and College, to take a class about English subject. My dear students, in your class, English subject has both English first paper and second paper. Today, I like to take a class about English grammar. My dear students, you know that in class 8, part C is called grammar. Part C is called grammar, and it is question number 11 for the students of class 8. My dear students, you know that this year you have to sit for the DSBLSC examination, so this year is very important for you. Today, my topic is voice change. My topic is from part C grammar, changing sentences. Changing sentences. In changing sentences, there are some items of grammar, and of them, you know, voice change is a topic. So, today I like to discuss about some sentences which all are interrogative, sentences, and we have to change this type of sentences into passive voice. My dear students, you know well that there are two types of interrogative sentence. One answering yes or no. Do you like tea? If you are asked a question, do you like tea? Then you have to say yes or not. But who has broken the glasses? Yeah, this is also an interrogative sentence, but yeah, the sentence has begun with who, and there are also some sentences who, why, how, what, and which. These are actually WS word, and also WS word. So there are two types of interrogative sentences. One is answering yes or no, another is with WS word. So today our topic is interrogative sentences, active to passive. All are inactive mode. We have to change it into passive mode. Number one, do you like tea? The students very often could tell us that the voice change of interrogative sentences are difficult, but I would like to say that if you know the rules of assertive sentences, then you must know the system of interrogative sentences. Actually, this is not so difficult. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? This is a sentence, interrogative. First, you have to know the tense of the sentence. Do you like tea? It is present indefinite tense, and at the time of present indefinite tense, you know that helping verb am, is, or are. As it is an interrogative sentence, helping verb must be used at the beginning of the answer. So, is tea. Is tea liked by you? Is tea liked by you? Because tea is object and tea is singular form. That's why we have to add is. So the answer is tea liked by you? Number B, is she writing a letter? Here, a letter is object, and is she writing a letter? You have to know that the sentence is present continuous tense. So, at the time of present continuous tense, we have to use am being, is being, are being as the helping verb. So, a letter is object, singular. That's why we have to use is being, as the sentence is interrogative. That's why is a letter being written? Is a letter being written by her? Is a letter being written by her? Everything is like assertive sentence, but here you have to use the big verb at the beginning of your answer, because here all sentences are interrogative. Has Rana played football? Has Rana played football? It is present perfect tense, object football. Here present perfect tense. That's why helping verb have been or has been. According to object, we have to use has been. That's why has football been played by Rana? Has football been played by Rana? Will you help me? Will you help me to such indefinite tense? You have to know at the time of this such indefinite tense we have to use shall be or will be. Object here me will turn into subject I. That's why shall I be helped by you? Shall I be helped by you? Everything is like assertive sentence, but here helping verb must be used at the very beginning. Were the boys making a noise? Past continuous tense, a noise actually singular. The boys subject plural. That's why was a noise being made by the boys? Was a noise being made? Was a noise being made by the boys? So, very beginning we have used here where as the boys subject plural, but here noise is singular. That's why we have used was a noise being made by the boys. At the end you have to use sign of interrogation. Here from A, this type of sentence actually WH word sentences. Who has broken the glasses? Here, who, students, you have to know that when you will get who at the beginning of a sentence and you are asked to send it into passive, then you have to use by whom at the place of who, by whom. So, in exchange of who, we have to use by whom. By whom, then the object object, the glasses. Actually, the object glasses is plural. The object glasses is plural. That's why we have to choose have. By whom have the glasses been broken? By whom? By whom? By whom? In exchange of who? By whom have the glasses been broken? You can ask that here helping verb is has, but why we will use have? Then I will answer that the object, the glasses is plural. That's why after the glasses we have to use have, not has. That's why by whom have the glasses been broken? Number G. Why have you called her? Her actually object will turn into subject she, and have you called her, then why? Why want to be sensed? So why has she? After you, we have used have, but at the time of she, we have to use has. Why has she? Why has she been called by you? Why has she been called by you? Here, how did you do it? How did you do it? Here, past indefinite, interrogative. Past indefinite, interrogative. So we have to use was or were as helping verb. So the answer would be how was it done by you? How was it done by you? Here, past indefinite, interrogative. That's why the answer would be how was it done by you? Number 9. What do you want? What do you want? What actually the base word? It ought to be sensed. What should be same? So what do you want? It is present indefinite tense. At the time of present indefinite tense, my dear students, you have to use am, is, or are. So, what do you want? What is wanted by you? What is wanted by you? What is wanted by you? Which pen do you like most? Which pen do you like most? This is also present indefinite. That's why which pen is subject. Which pen is liked? Which pen is liked by you most? Which pen is liked most by you? Here I can add an idea that when the sentence will begin with who, then we usually start the answer with by whom. By whom. And next time we don't use any by as preposition in the sentence. Look, who has broken the glasses? Here we have to write by whom. Very beginning by whom. Then actually after end of the some other words, we actually don't use any preposition by. So at the time of who, we have to use by whom very beginning, and next line of the sentence we don't use any by. And other this was why, how, what, which. Actually we have to use preposition by, such as how did you do it, how was it done by you, by as a preposition by you. So my dear students, I like to tell you that actually interrogative sentence are like the assertive sentence. If you know the rules, if you learn about the sentences and tenses, and if you also know the system of changing sentences from assertive to assertive sentences to passive voice, I think then you won't face any difficulty to change any interrogative sentences. Actually, all structures are same, but at the time of interrogative sentences, you have to remember that the helping verb or modal verb would be used at the very beginning of your answer. This is very important for you. I think my students, if you practice regularly, then it will be easy for you. In your English grammar book, there are so many exercises, and I think you will practice staying at your residence, and when you will feel difficulty, communicate with us, then we will solve the problem. Thank you, my dear students.